Welcome to the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in Summit White. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter and integrated trailer braking are in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rearview mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting off with the 20-inch machined aluminum wheels with carbon gray metallic accents paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badges on the doors, blacked-out mirrors with LEDs, Duramax plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked-out GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Step assists are installed, bed cover is also installed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have twin chrome tipped exhaust, towing package is installed, AT4, Sierra, and blacked-out GMC badging all on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split with under-seat storage. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have the heated leather seats controls and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.